Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hot pepper soup, fine girl, do like I do. Hot pepper soup, fine girl, do like
So
I
if you're new to the channel, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, do all that good stuff, okay? Yeah, so in today's video, this video was something that I was really excited for, and I'm excited. So I'm so excited today. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing y'all what I got because I'm doing the 24-hour challenge eating red. So I'm only eating red food for 24 hours. So while I was doing this, I was thinking, I can't drink water, right? I mean, can I or can I not? Cause water is not red. But I was just thinking, I don't know. I mean, I guess I can stay for 24 hours without drinking any water or whatever. I think right now it's like 8 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, so I guess until 8 p.m. Yeah, until 8 p.m. I'm gonna finish this challenge. I think it's gonna be horrified. I don't know what's gonna come and stuff. But like I'm saying, this is a challenge that I've been waiting for. You guys have been waiting for it. So there it is. So first of all, y'all remember how I told y'all there was gonna be a twist. So the twist was I had to spend only $20, and I did not spend $20. I spent less than $20. It was like $15-16 I spent. Yeah, that's what I remember. So I got these stuff for like 2 days ago. So I went to the store 2 days ago. I think 2 days ago, and got all this stuff. And I could not wait, y'all. I'm telling you, some of them are already open because I could not wait until the challenge. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't see snacks and just, waiting. I can't just waiting when I have snacks. So some of them are open because I ate some of them. And also, by the way, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. Tell me if I should do another one, which hopefully I don't think y'all gonna say that, but if y'all want me to do something else, like tell me what y'all want to see next. And I was actually thinking about doing like 50 video ideas. I don't know, but let me know, guys, what you think and what I should do next. So yeah, let's just get right into it because I'm so excited. Well, first of all, let me just show you what I got. So yeah, so first I got this goldfish. Can you see it? Oh, it's kind of like blur. I think you can see it now. So I got this goldfish. It's I think it's the rainbow color. Yeah, the rainbow color one. So that's it. It's already open. So what I have to do now is pick the red one out. Yep, I'm gonna pick the red one out, and that is not that red, but I guess it kind of is. Yeah, it's red. So yeah, I'm gonna open it later. And wait, what should I eat this for? Like, when should I eat it? When should I eat this? Okay. For lunch. Should it be? Okay, so for lunch, I'm gonna eat the red goldfish, which I'm obviously gonna show you guys. Yeah, for lunch, I'm gonna eat red goldfish. Yep, later on, when the challenge is over, I'm gonna eat all of them. So yeah, next, I got some Funyuns. I got the Flaming Hot because this is red. The color is red, so I was like, what? Let me get this Flaming Hot one. Keep in mind, guys, all of this was less than $20. Yep, this is also for lunch. I'm gonna eat this for lunch. Yep. So yeah. So next, I got this fruit roll-ups, and I got it in a strawberry flavor, I guess. Who doesn't like fruit roll-ups? Like, who does not? Right, so I got this fruit roll-up, and I was thinking about eating it for lunch. Or, I don't know, I think this is for lunch also. I have a lot of stuff, and I think I can only eat them for lunch. And by the way, guys, I don't like eating in the morning. I don't know if it's only me or if some people out there are the same. I feel like I should eat, like, if it's like 8, 9, I don't feel like eating. I'm not gonna eat because every time I eat in the morning, it just makes my stomach hurt, and it's bad. Like, I would eat, my mom would cook, and I'd be like, no. And she'd be like, what's wrong? I'm like, nothing. I can't eat in the morning for some reason. So, you know how you guys be waking up and then get cereal and milk and stuff? I don't do that. I just wait until it's like 10 or something, and then get, I don't know, some kind of chips, whatever. Yeah, so some fruit roll-ups. That's why I didn't get anything for breakfast. I don't like it. Just make me feel so uncomfortable and stuff like that. So I know, yeah, that's weird. Yep, there's fruit roll-ups, and it's also for lunch. Yeah, for lunch. This, I was thinking this is some kind of beef stick. Yeah, it's a beef stick, and I was thinking eating this for dinner, cause I really don't have much stuff for dinner. I was thinking about eating this for dinner. I don't know, you guys. And I forgot, so this is for dinner. Yeah, I only got one, because I really don't like this, but I eat it. It's not something that I like, but I just eat it. So I got one for dinner, so that's good. And then I got some ices. I know, right? I love this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Wait, can you see it? Like, okay, so y'all can see it. I got this icy. I love it. And the flavor is wild cherry. Yep. Wild cherry. It is so blur, guys. Like, I don't know why. So, this is so good. And by the way, I got like a pack. So I bought like a pack, and I already ate like 3 of them. I know, I could not wait for this challenge, but I still got like 2 more left. So this is one of them, and I think I'm gonna eat this for. This is definitely for lunch. So I'm gonna have this for lunch. Hopefully you guys can see when I'm eating it. I love this so much, you guys. So this is for lunch. So yeah, let's move on. So next, that's so. I got myself some pepperoni, which I really don't like. I don't know why. I think like I only like pepperoni on pizzas, but I don't like pepperoni just like eating it like that. So, but I also got myself some, because I didn't see anything for lunch. I mean for dinner. So I was like, you know what, this might be for dinner. So I got myself some pepperoni. Yep. Make one pizza. So yeah, this is the pepperoni, and this is gonna be for dinner. So can't wait, right? Can't wait to get it. So next, some Twix. Ooh, we have some Twix. Some Twix. The way I said that, though, I was like, right. Okay, by the way, so yeah, this was, I don't know. Was this $1? Yeah, I think it was $1 something, but I don't know. I don't remember. So got myself some Twix, and I think this is gonna be for lunch, because I feel like all the snacks for lunch. Yeah, I don't know. So this is gonna be for lunch, for sure. That's lunch right there. And I ain't gonna lie with you guys. I don't really like Twix. The way it's just stuck in your teeth and blah. You know, you be doing all this stuff. That's the reason I don't like it. But after that, it's good. It's good. I just don't like it. It's just me. But I eat it anyway. I'm excited with this one. I'm so excited. This is a slushie. And it's fruit punch flavor. So, slushie. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, it's still like kind of blurred. If you put it right there. So, this slushie is so good. And y'all gonna be like, how do you know? I already tasted. Like I said, I started eating some of them because I could not wait. So, this is a slushie in a fruit punch flavor, and it's so good. And I only got one. So after I opened this and I was tasting it, and I was like, oh my god, I just got one. But and this was like 90-something cents, yo. I was like, oh my god, I just got more. But anyways, this is kind of big. I think I'm gonna go for dinner with this one. I mean, I would go for lunch, but the icy, I have another, you know, wait, what flavor was it? The cherry. So I have this cherry icy, and I have this slushy. So that's another icy slushy, whatever. So I was like, you know what, I'm out. this is for what? Lunch, and this is gonna be for dinner. I feel like, I don't know. I just wanted this for it to be for dinner, so it's just gonna be for dinner. And next, I got myself some Hershey's milkshake. I feel like this is gonna be good. I don't know. And it's a strawberry. I got it in a strawberry flavor. I feel like strawberry stuff are always like right away. So I got this in a strawberry flavor. And I can't wait to drink this. It looks good. It looks healthy. And I don't know if it's healthy or not. It looks kind of good. So this is going to be for dinner. Yeah, this is going to be for dinner. Because it looks like something that I would drink for dinner. I don't know. But it's going to be for dinner. Next we have this fruit chard. A fruit shoot. Yeah, fruit shoot or whatever. I don't know. I think that's what it says. Yeah, fruit shoot. Oh, wow. Strawberry and raspberries. I don't like raspberry, you guys. There's ice in it. Oh, that's even better. So yeah, I got this. I think I'm gonna drink this for. This is definitely gonna be for lunch. It looks like something you would drink, like when it's like lunchtime or whatever. But the cap is weird. I don't know. It's just me, you know. It's just me saying that's my opinion. But yeah, I got this, and this is gonna be for lunch. I'm gonna drink this for lunch for sure. And next week, I think that's the last thing I got, right? I think so. Next we have some Skittles. Who doesn't like Skittles? But the thing is, I have to only pick the red ones, and there's not even a lot of red ones. But okay, I guess after the challenge, I have to go back and eat all of them, like the rest of them. I have to eat the rest. So, got myself some Skittles. I feel like I'm pronouncing Skittles wrong, but at the same time, I'm like, no, I'm not. I don't know, you guys, but anyways, this is for lunch, obviously for lunch. So I know I didn't get anything for breakfast. I was gonna make pancake, like red pancake. I was gonna buy food coloring and then the pancake batter or whatever, and then just do pancake. But I don't eat in the morning, you guys. That's me. Eating in the morning made me feel so sick, and just don't like it. I don't like that feeling. So, but anyways, guys, I think this is the last one. That's the last one. So this is the last one. This is not red. I know it's not red, but that's something. I love dry raisins, and I feel like it's so good. And I got like 4-pack, and I already ate like 3 or 4. It was 6 in each pack, and I already ate all of them. So that's the only one I have. I don't have this one yet. But this was not supposed to be for the challenge. Okay, so this is not for the challenge, you guys. But I don't know, because it's not. The box is red, but the raisin itself is like kind of like black, I would say. Not really, but kind of. So yeah, and I should have got some raisins. No, they don't have red raisins. I don't know. No, not raisins. I meant some grapes. Should have got myself some grapes. I was not thinking of. So guys, that is it for my 24-hour challenge. I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, that's not a lot, but let me tell you, I don't eat a lot. I feel like all the chips only with like one of the juice or whatever is gonna be enough for 24 hours. So I'm gonna see how it goes. So right now it's like about to be 9 or whatever. So let's get this challenge ready. So right now I'm not hungry. I'm gonna wait until it's like 10. Yeah, 10. I'm gonna eat some. I think I'm gonna start my lunch at 10. I can't wait for 12 o'clock. So at 10, I'm gonna be eating the chips and Skittles. I'm saying this wrong, guys. I know. I'm saying Skittles wrong, but it is. That's how I pronounce it. And then some fruit roll-ups. I'm gonna eat these at lunch. And make sure to stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, that's it. Hey guys. So right now it's currently 9:20, and I'm kind of hungry. I know it's 9:20. I was waiting for like 10 or 12, but I'm kind of hungry right now. So I'm gonna go get something. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but yeah. I don't know. I just wanted to eat some Funyuns. I guess because it's hot, you know. I don't know. I'm gonna start the challenge with some hot Funyuns, flaming hot. So, mmm. This, I think I'm gonna go for this. I don't know. I don't know. I think after this, I might get something at like 12 o'clock. Or, I don't know, 1. So we'll see. Is it gonna be enough? Or not? You know how it says onion flavored rings? It doesn't taste like onion. I guess it's because it's hot. I guess because it's hot, like it don't taste like onion at all. But it's good. It's not that hot, but it's hot. So, I want to talk about something right now. Because I feel like just sitting here, eating. I'm going to talk about how it was like a struggle to find red food. I didn't know it was that hard to find red food. First of all, I don't like strawberry. I don't like eating strawberry, but if something is like a strawberry flavor, like a milkshake, whatever, I might drink it. But strawberry, I don't like eating strawberry like that. I don't know. After watching this video on TikTok where there was like maggots, I think it was, inside coming out of the strawberry, I was so pissed. First of all, I didn't like it, but I did it anyway. But after seeing that video, I don't eat it no more. But I drink, if it's like a strawberry milkshake or a strawberry drink or whatever, I will drink it. But I don't eat strawberry in general. So. After that, that's why I didn't get strawberry. Because, you know, strawberry is red. So I was like, no, I'm not getting strawberry. I didn't get strawberry. And because I was supposed to spend $20, at least $20, I didn't want, you know, get big stuff. So I would have enough money to get everything. That's why I didn't get strawberry. And I wouldn't eat strawberry. When I went to Walmart, ooh. So I went to Walmart, and then I was looking for red food, y'all. It was so hard to find red food. I don't know, red stuff was like, well, there is red stuff. The kind of red stuff they have was not things that I wanted, you know? I wanted, like, if they had, like, red pancake, I would get some red pancake, and I didn't see anything, like, you could really, like, really eat that's red. I think the next time I'm gonna do this challenge, I should pick green, because I love salad. I love salad so much, and there's a lot of green stuff. Tomato, right? I know tomato is red. So when I went to the store, I was like, should I get tomatoes? I was like, okay, I should get tomatoes. But if I get tomatoes, what would I eat tomatoes with? I don't want to eat like tomato just like raw. I mean, I don't want to, you know, just be like, nah, I don't like tomatoes like that. I only like it on my burger or whatever it is, but I don't like I don't like tomatoes by itself. But if it's in like a salad or something, okay. So that's why I didn't get tomatoes or strawberry. And so I wanted to get like cereal, some kind of cereal. I don't like cereal. I mean, I eat cereal, but I don't like with milk. I rather eat it like just dry, you know. Some people don't like it dry, but I like it dry. And I could not find any type of like red food except for like snacks, you know what I mean? I guess I didn't want like food because if I feel like if I wanted food, like, you know, except for snacks, like if I wanted something like, you know, to really eat, I would make something using like food coloring or whatever. But I didn't want to do that. I was not in the feeling for that. So, yep. By the way, I also got some Kool-Aid. I forgot to tell you guys, but I also got some Kool-Aid, and I hope like maybe for lunch, for dinner, I'm gonna get myself some Kool-Aid. So yeah, I'm almost finished with this shit. Yeah. This is good. I think from now on I'm gonna just buy Funyuns. So you guys, I'm done. I'm full, so I guess I'm gonna see you when it's like 12 o'clock or 11. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. Now it's like 12. Yeah, it's 12, so I was asleep. I was asleep for like 2 hours. So yeah, I was asleep and I just woke up. I guess I'm back. As you can see, my lips is kind of red. Because I've been eating red food, so yeah. So I think now it's lunchtime. It's 12. It's lunchtime. For lunch, I'm going to be eating the red goldfish, the Twits, and fruit roll-ups. I'm going to go with these 3, okay? So by the way, guys, sorry for all the noise in the background. That was well, yeah, the noise in the background that was in the video that I think I was eating the flaming hot I forgot the Funyuns. Yeah, I think it was flaming hot Funyuns. So there was a lot of noise and my grandpa was going crazy. I'm sorry y'all for all that noise. That's the thing. I should have picked all the goldfish out, but I didn't. So I guess I'm just gonna eat the red one. And also, I look so tired. Yeah, my face. But so you guys, I thought it was red, but it was the yellow one. I feel so sad eating all only the red ones. I mean, who does that? You know what? And I'm gonna drink the rest of the fruit shoot and fruit shot. By the way, you guys, I finished all the what was it? I don't remember. I do remember, I just can't remember the name. The slushy, yeah, the slushy. So yeah, I drank all of it. Cause after I record, like, I was like, you know what? Let's just finish this. So I finished it and the Funyuns. So now, yep, Not even gonna eat a lot. Cause I mean, still not feeling hungry, but I'm not that hungry. So. My mouth. Even my tongue is red. Okay, so now I'm gonna open the book. Oh, that's how it is. You know how they be in like kind of round or something? You just be, oh wow, now it's straight up. Like, what? I didn't think it was gonna be like this. What? Ouch. And that is not a lot, but okay. I mean, I think this was like $2, so I guess it's cool because there's like 4 in there. So, but that's why I like the other one instead of this one. The other one you don't have to put your hand all over. It's kind of sour. My lips are dry. Anyways, this morning, I'm not gonna eat 3 of them. Ow. I don't know what was that. Why does it taste like that? Ew. Right. Let me get myself some Twix. Ow. I should have got like a scissors to just cut them. Ooh. I'm trying to figure out the flavor. I'm gonna just eat one. Like I said, I was not that hungry, but it was 12. It was time for me to eat. It was lunchtime. And I don't know. I'm gonna just go lay down for like a few minutes or hours. And I don't know. I might get some strawberry while I'm upstairs. I don't know. Yeah, I'll see you guys later when it's dinner time. Hey guys. Hey y'all, I am exhausted. Like, I don't feel good. I don't know if I ate way too many candy. I mean, too much candy. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm not feeling it. Okay, so first of all, it's dinner time. It's 4 o'clock right now. And what I was thinking, I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna wait until it's like 8, 7, because this challenge I have to end at 8 o'clock. So it's like 4 right now. So in 4 more hours, I'm gonna get some snack and I'm done. And I can't wait to eat something like some real food or whatever. I mean, some food, you know, some food. But anyways, that's what I'm trying to eat. Pepperoni. Ooh, God. Why did I put myself into this? Why? pepperoni. Alright, so I already have some. If any of you guys like eating pepperoni like this, okay. Oh, so guys, I could not eat that pepperoni. I am telling you, it smells bad, tastes bad. It tastes like it's raw. Like, I don't like the smell. I'm telling y'all, I don't like the smell. So I guess I'm just gonna drink the milkshake or get some, I don't know, goldfish. So I'm gonna drink this because I'm not feeling the. Wait, is it frozen? No. No. I think milkshake is frozen. Oh, that's not good. That is not good. It's frozen. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I mean, I guess it's good. It's hard to come out. This is good. It tastes like strawberry, but a little bit. Like, it don't. Yeah, it tastes like strawberry a little bit. This is good. I guess that's the only. Oh, I'm gonna get some goldfish with dinner. Why did I put myself into this? Why? I bet I might lose like 2 pounds or something. I'm gonna gain 2 pounds from eating all that junk food. I'm gonna gain pounds for real. Hope not. I hope not a lot though. I don't think I have any like. Well, I have some things. Usually I would get myself some juice, sauce and stuff. Now I'm eating some goldfish. Why? My mom cooked good food, but I didn't eat it. I don't think I'm gonna do this again. If I am gonna do a challenge like this, I need to get something better than just junk food, because I feel like I have nothing in my stomach right now. But I'm just gonna keep on eating. This video is gonna be long. It's gonna be like 30 minutes, you know? For real. I think that's my 4th time view or 5th, I don't remember. I'm trying to find where to go. But well, wait until I'm done. This is good. The milkshake. I should get like a chocolate one. Hey, I should get chocolate. Chocolate flavor. I think chocolate flavor would be like good. Because it's frozen, it's a milkshake, and I feel like it has this texture to it, and it's good. I like it. I wish I had like some cake or something. I really did this challenge without eating, without thinking and stuff. Now, I'm feeling like, you know what? I have no more red Skittles. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until it's like 8 o'clock to eat something. Cause finally the end of the challenge. And right now I'm gonna go cook some food, you know? So when the challenge is over, I can eat. Because I'm not feeling it right now. I'll see you at 8. Hey guys. Whew. It's been a long day. And I am so excited because it's 8 right now. And that means it's the end of the challenge. And I feel so good. I feel so great right now. So I'm telling y'all, I don't think I'm gonna ever do this again. I don't know. I really don't know. So guys, and I'm done with everything. I don't feel like eating right now because I don't know. I don't feel good eating all that junk food. So I'm not even gonna eat right now because I'm not hungry and I don't feel like eating all this junk food. And thank you so much for watching. If you stay all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you next time.